So today I'm going to show you my take on a couple of common feeder fishing rigs out there. One of them is my version of the Paternoster. That's quite easy to tie, and it's very simple as there's only two main knots in it. And the other one is the sliding feeder rig, which is a free running rig which allows bites to develop really well, and it's very much an anti-tangle rig, so you don't have to worry about your rig tangling up when you're casting out into the lake. So the first rig that I'm going to show you is my version of the standard Paternoster rig. For this we take as line, and this is a quick change feeder bead. And all that is you can see there's a snap link swivel there, and that allows fast and easy changing of swim feeders throughout the day. So you don't have to break the rig down if you need to change the feeder size or the weight of the feeder in order to reach your casting distance. So once we have the feeder bead on the line, we slide that up around about, so we have below the feeder bead we need about 12 inches of line roughly. We double that back on itself to form a loop above the bead like so, and then around 4 to 5 inches above the feeder bead we then take this and just make a double overhand knot, passing the feeder bead through twice. Then as we tighten the knot down, always moisten your knot so that it avoids weakening the line. Pull that down nice and tight. That way you can see the feeder bead then sits in that loop that's tied. This then, see the feeder bead, and then the rest of your line comes down below the feeder, and you can attach your hook length to that. So on the end of your line we tie the surgeon's loop. That's nice and simple. Make one loop and then go around the base of, so I'm making it a loop, go around the base of the loop and back through itself, forms a figure of 8 knot. Again, we just moisten the knot, pull down tight and snip off. So we can see now that the feeder is connected to the feeder bead on the rig, so that sits in that loop there. This is the rest of the rig line then running down. We've tied a simple surgeon's loop on the end of the rig line there, then the hook length comes along, goes over the surgeon's loop, and take the other end of the hook length line with the hook on, that goes through the surgeon's loop, pull that down, that's connected nice and tight, and that's it, you're ready to go fishing. So the swim feeder hangs on like that, and the hook length is connected. Away you go.